Start by drawing a vertical line and divide it into 3 sections. Draw a horizontal line passing slightly above the middle of the vertical line. Divide the line into 5 sections. Connect the ends of the lines to create the face's shape. You'll notice that the cheeks' curves have a slightly rectangular shape. At the bottom, make a small round curve for the chin like this. Then, draw the shape of the ears, which begins slightly above the horizontal line like this. Now let's move on to the hair. This character has a short hairstyle. Here, we'll draw the part on the side, but you can draw it wherever you'd like. When you're finished, erase any unnecessary lines. Retrace the contours. Here, we'll draw 2 small hair barrettes. Draw the eyes like this. Add a pair of thin eyebrows situated just above the eyes. Draw the nose here. Add wrinkles around the nose and eyes to emphasize the character's age. Draw the open mouth like this. Draw this series of details to finish the ears. Next, we'll draw a larger pair of glasses like this. Finalize the details of the mouth. Fill in the hair. Draw a blouse collar to finalize your character.